What do NASCAR, the NWSL, and Rocket League all have in common? On the surface, it might seem like not much at all. One is a high-octane, all-American racing sport, another is the premier women's professional soccer league, and the last is a globally popular video game. But dig a little deeper, and you'll find a common thread: Ally sponsorships. And they aren't just slapping a logo on a car or jersey. Ally is a major sponsor in all three of these incredibly different spaces, and they're doing it with a clear, consistent, and impactful mission. It's about more than just brand visibility, it's about a commitment to diversity and a level playing field. For instance, in NASCAR, Ally is the primary sponsor of the number 4800 motorsports car, driven by Alex Bowman. But their involvement goes way beyond the racetrack. They've become the official consumer bank of NASCAR and are working to make the sport more inclusive by supporting programs like the NASCAR Drive for Diversity Awards. They've even partnered with diverse artists to create special paint schemes for the car, bringing new voices and perspectives to the sport. Then there's the NWSL. Ally was the first ever official banking partner of the National Women's Soccer League. Their sponsorship has been transformative, not just for the league, but for the entire landscape of women's sports. They've pledged to achieve equal spending on women's and men's sports advertising, a bold move that is already changing how women's games are broadcast and perceived. They've also helped create initiatives that put money directly into the hands of the players, providing them with financial stability and resources. And finally, Rocket League. Ally's entry into esports might seem surprising, but it's a perfect extension of their mission. They're a proud sponsor of the Rocket League Championship Series, but they're also specifically focused on advancing women in gaming. Ally has headlined events like the Ally Women's Open, creating tournaments with significant prize pools to give female competitors more exposure and opportunities in a male-dominated industry. So whether it's on a race car, a soccer jersey, or a virtual arena, Ally's presence is about more than just a logo. It's a statement. A statement that says they are committed to doing things right, creating an inclusive environment, and being a true ally for athletes and fans everywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.